commandments. First is, I will not drive when drunk, or nor drowsy, nor fatigued. 2. I will not pass without curb, nor hills unseen by my eyes. Third, I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. 4. I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. 5. I do not make a twice without signaling my intersections. 6. I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersection. 8. I do not
Blur.
blur my headlights on approaching cats and cars at night. 9. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. 10. I will be cautious and respectful of the rights of every driver and pedestrian.